Hey guys, my name's Heather and welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another Dia & Co unboxing. And I know last box was super disappointing. I didn't expect to do one so soon, but after how last box went, I was like dying to see if it would be the same. I wanted to try a new stylist out. I wanted to see if they would really listen to me, and a lot of you had told me that I could price match last time I made my last video, so I wanted to see how that process was as well, because I had found a lot of items in the last video that were much cheaper on their original sites than Dia & Co was selling them for. And let's get into the video. So my new stylist, Jessica, sent me another little letter. She said, "Hi gorgeous, I'm sorry your last box wasn't what you expected. I'd love to make it up to you, and I hope these styles find a place in your wardrobe." You know, honestly, I'm not gonna read this whole thing. Let's just get into the box. But she was very nice, and I'm glad it's a new stylist. No harm, no foul to Leslie, but she just wasn't, you know, we just didn't match up very well. So let's just get into it. The first item I actually really loved. It is this Pom Pom Blouse, and they have the bell sleeves. You know your girl loves the bell sleeves. I did change my sizing for all the tops to be a 3X, because I know some of y'all may beg to differ, but in the last box the other tops were way too big. And I just thought this was super cute and fun. It's like a coral color, and then it has these like multicolored pom-poms. I just thought this was so adorable. It's off the shoulder, perfect for the summer and the spring. It is by the same brand, Bobu. God, it's the same brand that I couldn't say last time. And it's in a 3X. This is one of the tops that I actually did find to be cheaper elsewhere, and I had them price match. They're selling the Pom Pom Blouse for $76. It was actually the most expensive thing in the box, which I thought was crazy. It was hard for me because I really liked this top. I thought it was super cute, and I really wanted it, but for $76, I just, you know, that's what I would probably pay for jeans or like a really nice dress. Like, it's hard for me to pay $76 on a blouse, like, especially if it's not something that I'm gonna wear all the time. I mean, this is something I'd wear in the summer and the spring, but I know that because it's off the shoulder and everything, it's not something I'm gonna wear all the time, you know, every day. But I did get them to price match this on their website, or the website that I had found. I had found a deal where the Pom Pom Blouse was only $41.99, and they accepted my price match. So I'm very happy about that. I am gonna keep this because they accepted my price match. I think it's really cute, awesome length. It kind of brings a sophisticated casual look, you know, fun and casual. I would wear this with some really long earrings or big earrings, or maybe like a fun little statement necklace. It's gonna be fun for me. So I'm glad that I got to get this down, because I was not gonna pay almost $80 for this top. So the next item, they really listened to me this time. I had asked for jeans that, you know, were destructed or had some sort of embroidery, or, you know, was different than your normal jean, because I have too many just basic jeans, and the first lady didn't listen to me at all. If y'all remember those jeans, they weren't skinny, they weren't destructed, they weren't anything besides just like a straight leg jean. It just didn't look good, maybe have saggy butt, you know, whatever. But this one is actually pretty cute. It is destructed on the knee, and well, this one's kind of like higher up. On this side, it's destructed on the knee and the pocket, and then the back, it has a little bit of destruction as well. I really like the wash on this. It's kind of like a medium wash. The only thing I will say is I'm more into high-rise skinny jeans, but these are like a mid-rise, so I would still wear these for sure. I thought I was not gonna like these, to be honest. They're by the brand Celebrity Pink, and I think I've heard of them before. I don't know if I've seen them on Amazon or Nordstrom. I really don't remember, but I couldn't find a price match on this one. But they are really cute, and they're in a size 28. I didn't think I'd like them, but once I put them on, I think I might keep them. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you think. I don't have much time left, maybe by the time you see this video, I might have already made a decision, but I think they're really cute. I think, you know, I think the Destructed jeans that I have are my black ones, and I have a light pair, so I don't really have a mid, you know, medium wash jean that is Destructed, so I might actually keep these. These are currently $65, so this is actually cheaper than what the blouse was originally, which is crazy. I don't know. I think they're really cute, and I thought the fit was really well. It is a true mid-rise jean. It is not a high waist. It's not a low waist. Hit me right perfectly. So these were comfy, cute, and they were perfect skinny jean. I think they actually made me look really good. So the next item, I think the brand is Mary Skye, and I think this is like a D&Co brand. I couldn't find the brand anywhere else, but it's really cute. It is this top in a 3X. I love black and white stripes. I mean, this is blue and white stripes, but I'm a stripe kind of girl. I love it, and I love the detail on the sleeves. They kind of have a little bit of a flutter sleeve, but it's longer, so it's gonna hit me down here. It's not gonna show the parts of my arms that are the biggest. And then it has this little cutout with a tie. I think this detail is so cute. Now the top is more fitted, which is something that I'm kind of struggling if I'm gonna keep this or not. It fit me well, it looks really, really good, but am I gonna wear this all the time? That's what I have to ask myself when it comes to like these boxes or anything I buy. I definitely see I could wear this, you know, tucked into skirts, but I probably wouldn't wear this with jeans, and I just know myself. I like to wear looser tops with jeans. I don't like to feel like so constricted everywhere, so I would probably end up wearing this less. But I think this little sleeve is very different than anything else I have. I do have little tie sleeves, but I don't know, I really like the look of it. I don't know if I should keep it or not. Jessica is making this box hard for me. She is definitely doing her job. I don't know. It is $49. Let me see. Yeah, 3X and $49. I just think it's really cute. They say to, like, you know, put this casually or dress it up, and to put it with the next item. So we'll see about this. Next item is this black laced pencil skirt. It has kind of a flower lace detailing. It is from Penningtons, and I've actually never tried Penningtons, so I was really excited to try them. This skirt is kind of like it's a stretchy waist at the top, but it does have a zipper in the back. It is in a 4X, so it's actually kind of loose on me. It's not going to be a tight pencil skirt on me, which I like because, as I've said before, I'm not as comfortable with showing my belly. And this is something, even though it is a looser pencil skirt on me, I still might wear with like shapewear. It just depends. This is not my usual type of skirt. It's not something I'm usually going to be into. However, I am going to have to start going into the office more often, and this would be a very good, you know, staple, or, you know, something I could wear to the office, throw on with other tops that I have. Just very work and business professional. Now, they were trying to sell the skirt for $58, and I would have never purchased this for $58. Never. No. It is not worth that. It is, I mean, it's made okay. It's just a stretchy skirt. It just seems like this is very cheap. Not, I don't know, not super cheap, but like, I would just never pay that money. I ended up finding this on Pennington's website for $15. So that's a huge price difference. And when I found out it was $15 and they were going to give me the discount, I decided that I probably should keep this just because it is cheap. Like I said, it can be a little staple in my closet. I know it's something I'm not going to wear all the time, but for $15, you can't really do, I mean, you can't really do better than that. And last but not least, they sent me this dress, and honestly, I didn't even want to try it on. I was like, oh, I already have stuff that is way too similar. It's like a midi style tank dress, very simple. You know, kind of flares out at the waist. Not anything too special about it, but when I put it on, it fit so well. I was really kind of pissed at Jessica. Jessica's doing her job a little too well. And if it wasn't the timing of my life right now where I'm, like I said, going back into the office more often, this is like the perfect little dress that I can wear to the office. I would style this with a cardigan or a blazer, and it's really comfy, but it's very like fitted at the top, so it looks very professional. Also, the fabric is almost double layered, so it's very thick, stretchy fabric, so it's going to be comfortable but make you look very nice. And so I don't know what to do, you guys. Man, this is in a 4X. It is by a company named Maribel. It was something I could not price match. The only items I was able to price match were that black Pennington skirt and the Pom Pom shirt. Everything else I wasn't able to find the exact item. But I don't know. I'm very torn on what I should keep. I had set in my mind before I tried anything on what I was probably gonna like, and now the tables have turned. The tables have turned. So if I keep everything, like the amount that they have on this sheet, which has all the original prices, minus the styling fee, minus the 25% off, if I keep the whole box, it comes out to $222.25. But since I reached out to D&Co and asked about the price matching, they said that they would remove an additional $59.01 from the total. So if I keep everything minus the price match, I only pay $163.24 for the entire box. That's pretty good. I mean, like I said, some of these items aren't items I'm gonna wear all the time, but they are something I can wear to work and easily mix and match other items in my wardrobe with. God, I don't know what to do. If I only keep the original items that I was thinking in my head I would keep, which is the jeans, the pom-pom shirt, and the black skirt, let's see, that would be about $120. So for about $43 more, I can keep the entire box. So that's 2 more items for $43 more. I don't know, should I do it? Should I keep it all? I probably will. I'm either gonna keep the entire box or I'm gonna keep those 3 items, the jeans, the pom-pom shirt, and the black skirt. So this box was a lot better. I definitely like my stylist a lot better. She kind of obviously knows what I need, gets what I want. I will say it still kind of is different, you know, having someone else pick out your clothing. You know, would I have picked the same items if I had all the choices out there? I don't know. I don't know if I would, but now that I have them, it is very tempting to keep it. So that's something to think about with these subscription boxes. It does enable or make you want to buy more things than you probably would. So if you're not ready to do that, I probably would not get a subscription box. But since I'm trying this out for you guys, I didn't get anything in the last box. I might just go ahead and do it. I don't know. We'll see. I will maybe update you in the description box below if I decide to keep the whole box. But I'm gonna rate most of these items back as very high, even the items that I don't keep, because the items I was sent this time were very good quality, they fit very well, and they were a lot more in tune with my style and what I need in my life. So I'm very happy with this box. I'm so glad that D&Co was able to listen to me, get back to me very quickly with the price matching, and get me a new stylist. So that was awesome. So this D&Co box review is very different than my last one. Let me know if y'all have had different experiences with them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye.